Welcome to MQLrobotEAs. In this video, we'll explore the structure of the ICT Smart Order EA, a no-code expert advisor built entirely using FXDreema. This EA is based on advanced price action concepts inspired by ICT trading principles. It detects large bearish candles that meet custom criteria and places smart pending orders based on that price action. Once a significant bearish candle is detected, the EA places a buy pending order a few pips below the candle's low, aiming to catch a price reversal or liquidity grab, a concept often seen in ICT strategies. It also manages the count of candle signals, dynamically tracks how many valid signals have formed, and cancels old pending orders when conditions are no longer met, keeping the system clean and adaptive. The inputs are fully customizable: candle body size, signal limit count, take profit, and stop loss percentage. Risk per trade. All of this is handled visually in FXDreema, making it perfect for traders who want to build logic without writing any MQL4 code. Before using this EA in live trading, it's critical to fully understand the strategy, its risks, and how price behaves during ICT-style setups. Always backtest with 99.9% tick data to evaluate performance under real conditions. If you'd like to download this EA or explore other algorithmic trading systems, visit MQLrobot.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel MQLrobotEAs for more no-code EA builds and advanced trading logic tutorials. Thanks for watching.